Today we're hosting a Department of Energy Better Plants Treasure Hunt. Associates here at Honda's East Liberty, also with our transmission plant, also here in Ohio, is collaborating with Goodyear employees and the Department of Energy to find energy savings opportunities. We also hope to promote teamwork and inspire our associates to think about energy savings as part of their daily work. Honda's goal is to realize carbon neutrality for all of its products and its corporate activities by 2050.
So the goal of a treasure hunt is really to identify and quantify energy saving opportunities across the plant. So out on the floor, we usually are doing identification of opportunities, both in non-production as well as times during production hours. And then in the classroom, we have a variety of training opportunities, demonstrations on how to use DOE software tools, and then we also put together presentations to deliver to management at the end of the 3 days to hopefully get support for implementation of these projects.
We found lighting that was kind of extraneous and unnecessary to the process. A few too many lumens in certain areas. We found pumps that were redundant, we found air supply handling that could be eliminated. Lots of little pieces here and there, but combined together they add up to a pretty big chunk of energy reduction.
Having another group of experts coming in to help us on this project has been really helpful for us. I myself and a lot of other team members on our group have very busy schedules, big projects that take a lot of time, and it's hard for us to all come together as one to really discuss the environmental impact we can accomplish.
What I really like about this activity is that the Department of Energy has come in and trained our associates on how to take this kind of skill or this task that they've learned this weekend, and they'll be able to carry it through their future here at Honda. So we've got more people into the club, so I'm pretty excited about that.
Every company should be doing a treasure hunt. The benefit of these is not only the short term of identifying energy savings within that particular plant on that particular day, but it's also all about building an energy culture. So it is bringing together teams from different divisions and encouraging them to think about energy efficiency and decarbonization as something that everyone in the plant is responsible for.